At the front of the safe, you can see a button with 3 lights. So the first light tells us whether the power is on and the whole safe is ready to be cracked. And the second and the third light tells us whether the first and the second puzzle has been solved. And here you can see a reset button. And here you go. So look over to this tree, and you can see we have prepared 2 different types of dissimilar metals, metal A and metal wire B. And we have prepared 4 of each kind, and the contestants have to connect the thermocouples in the right order in order to crack the first puzzle. And over here, we have 5 different junctions, and at each junction, we have a temperature switch, and there's also an indicator which tells us the temperature. And this shows the normal level, which is the room temperature. And if I switch it down, it would be lower than usual. And on the contrary, if I switch it up, it would be hotter than usual. So the aim of this puzzle is actually to create the maximum voltage difference between the 2 ends. And now I'm going to show you the correct solution. So the physics principle behind this puzzle is the thermoelectric effect. In order to maximize the voltage generated, we have to connect the modules with alternating dissimilar metal wires, which can be connected in the form of wires AB-AB or BA-BA. This maximizes the number of thermocouples. The module serves as the junction of the wires in the thermocouple. Moreover, we have to maximize the temperature difference across each metal wire, which can be achieved by utilizing the temperature switches. Oh, and also, the other combination of temperatures can also work, which in this case would be cold, hot, cold, hot, cold.
The objective of the second puzzle is to push the ball upwards in order to be detected by the infrared sensor without actually moving the whole cannon. So as you can see here, we have an automatic vacuum pump where you can push the button and pulls out the air from the tube. And also at the end of the tube, you can see there's a plastic tape taped to the end of the tube. So this puzzle utilizes the concept of a pressure gradient force, where all the cracker needs to do is to use the vacuum pump to pump out the air, and also in order to create a sufficient pressure difference between that of the tube and also the atmospheric pressure. Afterwards, they need to use the razor blade and poke a hole through the tape in order to have the to have a sudden rush of air into the tube in order to push the ball upwards sufficiently in order to be detected by the RF sensor. So here's a video of how it should work. Just like the video, as long as you finished the puzzle 2, the green light will light up just like this. And the safe will open and the reward is here for you.